Hey guys, this is Nin's Nails. I have 3 blooming gel nail art tutorials for you today. They're all animal print, kind of leopard cheetah nails. I do run an Etsy shop where I sell press-ons of any set that you see on screen right now, plus many more. But if you're a DIYer, I'm here to show you how to do them. For this first set, I'm starting off with a butter yellow color, and I'm going on top with my blooming gel. I'm going to take my dotting tool and dip into the sheer brown. I'm going to make blobs down the center of the nail. I'm going to stagger them a little bit, but mostly focusing on the center of the nail. Without curing, I'm going to go into the black polish. I'm going to do the black details around the spots. And anywhere that it's bare, I'm going to go in and add some black details. And then I'm going to wait for it to spread. And when I'm happy with the outcome, I'm going to cure it in the lamp. And then top coat, and you're done. For this next set, I'm starting with an iridescent polish. It has a pink base and a bluish shimmer on top. I'm going to cure that in the lamp. I'm going to go on with my blooming gel. And after that, I'm going to make my spots down the center of the nail, but this time I'm using a cat eye gel polish. Now I'm going to go in with a maroon kind of burgundy shade and make the dark details around the spots. Now I'm going to go in with my magnet, and I'm going to move it around the nail to activate the magnetic particles in the polish. Now I'm going to cure, and then top coat, and you're done. For this last set, I'm starting off with a sheer pink-white base. This is Ciao Bella from iGel Beauty. Now with that first sheer brown color from the first set, I'm going to go in and make a French tip. The best part about this set is that the French tip doesn't have to be too perfect because we're going to go and cover it up with the spots later. Now this is a sheer color. If streaks kind of are really going to bother you, you can go in with a more opaque color, but I think it kind of adds to the animal fur effect. And once you're happy with that, you can cure it in the lamp. I'm going in and fixing it even more, even though it doesn't matter. Trust me, it doesn't matter. Now I'm going in with my blooming gel. And with my dotting tool, I'm going to make some spots on the tip of the nail. And then once you're happy with it, you can cure it in the lamp. And then top coat and you're done. Thank you for watching my first YouTube video. I hope my voiceover wasn't too cringy. I hope you consider sticking around and subscribing and checking out my Etsy shop. Thank you.